No Siri glow. Try this quick fix. Let's start with checking iOS version. For this, open the Settings app on your device. Next, click on General. Now tap on the Software Update option. If you have any update available, then update it. Make sure you have installed the latest iOS version. Now activate Siri to check for the lights. If this method does not work, then try. Turn on Apple Intelligence. To do this, in the Settings page, tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now, at the top, turn on the toggle next to the Apple Intelligence option. If you don't find the option then, check the language and region settings. In the Settings page, click on General. Next, scroll to the bottom and tap on the Language and Region option. Here, click on Region, and make sure the proper country is selected. If this step does not work for you, then try. Check iPhone storage. For this, go to the Settings app on your device. Then, tap on General. Next, click on the iPhone storage option. Here, make sure you have enough storage. If not, look for the large files and delete the unwanted files. This will free up storage and provide space for Apple Intelligence. If this method does not work, then try. Force restart. Press and release the volume up button, and press and release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then release the side buttons, and your phone will restart shortly. After restarting your device, check if the lights are activating or not. If not, then try. Reset all settings. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap on General. Now scroll down to find the Transfer or Reset iPhone option, then click on it. Next, at the bottom, click on Reset. Here, a few options will pop up, then tap on Reset All Settings. Now, a pop will appear, and click on Reset All Settings to confirm. After resetting, check if the border lights are activated or not. This might fix the issue, and that's it.